Hey, what's up, everybody? And welcome back to Day Trade with Tony Small Account Challenge 2023. So let's rewind quickly for those of you who are new to the channel. It's all about stocks and shares. It's all about trading equities on the stock market. But I'm doing this small account challenge. So I started on the 17th of January with just under $2,500 in my account, and I want to say that we've had a good green day today. Not a big green day, but it's a good green day because at the close we were red, and then we bought into Meta Platforms. Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, and because it's a larger cap stock, had earnings, dropped earnings, good reaction to the earnings. I was able to trade it, not big size because it's a small account. We started today with $5,500 in the account, so I could only afford 153 with leverage, 153 shares. So I got in with max size, 153 shares, and then I took some profits on the way up as it was shooting up. I was able to ride it up from kind of $160, $165. Actually, tell a lie. My first entry was 165.30. Took some profit at 167, 171. Added back at 173.50. And then continually taking profit, adding back, taking profit, 50 shares at a time, 50 in, 58, 50 in, 58, and rode it all the way up to over $180. So nearly 182. I think my last transaction, my last exit was just over $180. So we got my highest exit was $180.38. So for 50 shares. So we made over $800 on Meta Platforms, which is just as well because we were almost $800, we were over $700 down by trading GSUN, Golden Sun Education, and Peloton earlier in the day. So up until now, I've been really good with my trade selection, 100% accuracy on my trade selection. Well, I say 100% accuracy. I had been really good on my trade selection because I'd had all winners. I had no losers. I had one scratch trade. That was a break-even trade, and the rest were all profitable. Now today I've had my first losing trades, first two losing trades of the small account challenge. We started with $5,500, and we're pretty much going to be still at $5,500 tomorrow, but it could have been a lot worse. So we'll do it all again tomorrow. But before we do, let's just talk you through some of the trades that we've taken, shall we? So Peloton. Now, we traded Peloton on the large account on the way up, and we managed to get a couple of $1,000s out on the large account as this moved up. And then we got the pullback, and as it started to make its move up, I got in here, and again, not huge size. I think I had 1,500 shares. I had 1,000 shares, then I had another 500, and then it pulled back, and we got out. And we did try to trade it a little bit later, and I think we're about $650 down on Peloton. We made $150 back, but that was the main trade that we traded with Peloton. We tried Golden Sun Education. So Golden Sun was moving up, and we got in with Golden Sun, just looking for break. It was moving up really well towards into power hour, and we got in here, moved up, pulled back, looking for new highs. So we broke the highs here. That's where we entered at 310. So it broke the previous resistance level, 310. And then as it pulled back, I looked for a bounce on the whole dollar at 3. So I put 1,000 shares here, 1,500 shares here. Looked for a bounce. Actually didn't come. So we got out here as it pulled back. So Golden Sun Education, we lost $280 on that. We lost $500 on Peloton. So over nearly $800 down, and this was coming into the close. So then we traded Meta Platforms, so formerly Facebook, and I was watching this, kind of just not knowing which way it went. So at first it moved up, then it moved down, then it moved up and down, very choppy for a little while, and then it shot off. And as it broke 165, I pressed my buy button. I've got a button that says buy as many shares as I can afford for 90% of my buying power. So I pressed the buy 90%, and I got 153 shares. So 153 shares, I took 100 shares off here. No, I took 50 shares off, or 53 shares off here. Then I took another 50 shares off there, and then I bought another 50 shares back up to 100. Took 50 shares, and that's what I was doing. 50 shares off, 50 shares on, and every time it moved up and down, I was able to do that, and rode that all the way up to, and that's where it is right now, 181. So rode it all the way up to over $180. And when it started to get a bit weak, that's where I got out here as it pulled back. So basically 150 shares, maximum size, and was able to make $874 on that. So what I'll do is I didn't record all of the trade. I didn't record my entry point, so I apologize for that. But I think I got in here, so I forgot that I wasn't recording, so I pressed the record button. It might have been here, or it might have been somewhere around here. So I missed the first entrance, but I'll stick it on anyway. Stick it on the back of this anyway. You'll see all the subsequent entries and exits there that you can watch. And yeah, it was a welcome profit. It's not a big gain. $87 growth after taxes and charges and everything else. It's going to be probably a loss of about $100, I would imagine. But that being said, it's better than $800 down. So we start again tomorrow with another 5,500. So let's take a look at the statistics in TraderView. I've just imported the trades into TraderView. So let's take a look, shall we? And here we go. So technically, it's a green day, gross in terms of gross numbers, but obviously after fees and charges, it's probably going to be a little bit less. But let's have a look at where that puts us on the month. So go back to the start of the year, and we are now $4,000 up. So we started with $2,500. We're now $4,000 up. We're seeing that I've now got some losing trades. My largest loss is $500, and we do have some losing trades, two losing trades, two scratch trades. So 80% success rate in terms of my trade selection. It's more in line. I'm still going to have a losing day. Coming back from behind is great, but you can't do that every time. So I'm still going to have a losing day. It's just when there is opportunities to take a position, it's you've got to have the gumption to take it, and I've been able to do that today. So $4,000 up. If I look at the profit factor, 6x profit factor. Average trade time is 31 minutes. Average losing trades an hour is only a couple. That's the Peloton trade from today. How long I was in that, and I guess maximum consecutive wins 8. So just keeping it real at the moment. Doing well. We're growing the account reasonably well. So we'll be $5,500 in the account tomorrow. Maybe just a little bit less in terms of equity position. So 2nd of February, we do it again tomorrow. Let's see what the future holds for us in February. Come join me an hour before the market opens. That's 60 minutes. So 8:30 a.m. East Coast, New York, 1:30 p.m. here in Ireland, in Dublin, 1:30 in London or the UK. Anywhere else, work out the time zone for yourself. Google is your friend. I'm not the speaking clock. And hopefully I'll see you there. So take care. Enjoy this quick, and it is a very quick trade from Meta Platforms. Enjoy this quick trade that I recorded after hours, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Enjoy your evening. I'm gonna do it. 175 would be nice. We're going to get 175. 350, so that's where we're at. Nice little flag forming. Looking for the break of 175. Just trading 100, this is a small account, I can't trade more than this, so we've got a break up or a breakdown now. We've kind of reached the apex on this. Now we're in triangle, just got to break one way or the other. There we go, it's going upwards. We'll get another 300 bucks out of this. And we get green on Meta. Trading earnings. $170, still looking for 175. Break off. High of day right now is 174.76. 174 on the ask. 74.30, looking for 175, take half off then. Five day, 174.76 still. I'm looking for 175. Between the spreads right now. We're getting a flat top. I'm an ascending wedge into a flat top right now, so I think we might get another dollar out of it, another couple of dollars out of this yet. We got at 165. Our first entry. Still looking for that test of 175. Come on. $74.35, 174.76 is still the high of day. So we can get 175 on the ask. There we go, new high of day. There we go, take half off. Filled 150 shares. Looking for 200 bucks. Hit me green on the day. 50 shares right now. One without me. $177. Oh. 5 days, 177.17, a new high. Looking for 177.50 maybe. Break even is my exit. 75.50. There we go, there we go. $32 green. Thank you, Meta. Thank you, Meta Platforms. Thank you, Steve. What's like it's Mark Zuckerberg, isn't it? Let's see, what else have we got here? I'm going to take another position. Shares. Can I make a profit here? Can I get my get over 100, 180, 182 maybe? Can I get to goal today? 270 today? 275 is my goal. Or maybe not. $182. Yep. High. Over 182. Come on. I know you want it. Pulling back a little bit. Let's watch this some more.